So right now it's working. I had to restart the computer like at least 100 times. I had to go into start menu. This is not something that many people know because I used this back in Windows 7 days and people don't use this anymore. But went to this msconfig.msc. You can go to the system configuration and it has these options to do. Normally it will be on normal startup, which loads everything, drivers and services, whatever you installed, as well as Microsoft stuff. I had to go into the services and one by one uncheck all of these, figure out what would stop it. When I unchecked everything, it screwed up the boot. I couldn't even log in because it would say your PIN is not working anymore. So I had to restore the computer multiple times back to several day until I could figure out which one was causing those issues, and I had to one by one remove all of these and then slowly put them back to figure out which one would make the folders open and files open. And then I finally found out that the Windows search, for some reason this one is messing it up, so I had to disable this, and with just this one disabled and everything else enabled, it seems to work. I restarted several times now and it's been working. And so right now you can see if I open this, it's fine. And if I go back here and open this up and go back to alphabetical, and now if I re-enable Windows search and I say OK and restart the computer, it's gonna stop working again. Watch. So I'll let it go. And I've been working on this non-stop since your partner dropped it off. So I haven't just been like fooling around. This is hours of work that I put into this, and I don't get paid hourly for this. If I charge hourly, I charge first hour $150 and then $120 an hour, and like, yeah, I'm not even charging you anywhere near what I should be charging for how much time and effort I put into this thing. So I'll log back in, and now you can see it's gonna probably crash and open. This window is just stuck white, and most likely the only reason it even came up white is because I clicked it so soon after logging in, so the service wasn't fully started yet. But you can see it says now not responding. You can close it. Now if I try and open it, nothing's gonna happen. Enter, nothing works. We'll go back in here, go back in msconfig, go back to the services. We can actually go to normal and then go back to the services. So right now all of it's enabled, and then we're going to go back here and Windows search, apply, OK. So right now check again, folders don't open, none of them open. We'll restart again, double check one more time. Okay, it's restarting again. It's restarting. Log back in. And it's opening. Now it's opening. So I'm not sure why before, without disabling this stuff, I was able to get it working by doing disk checks and a bunch of other fixes on it. But now it seems to be working, so hopefully it doesn't randomly go bad again. I'm not sure why the Windows search service is screwed up like that. But maybe it's in the middle trying to index files and that's causing it to get stuck. I don't know, because that's what the Windows search service is supposed to be doing. I didn't think that could cause that folder issue, but as you can see now, all the folders are opening fine. hopefully it stays that way. Alright, bye.